Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install VirtualBox Guest Additions on Debian 12, also known as Bookworm. Whether you're running Debian for development or just trying it out, Guest Additions will help smooth out your experience with features like screen auto resize, shared clipboard, and more. Let's get started. First things first, we need to update our system to make sure everything is current. Open your terminal and type the following commands. Now switch over to your VirtualBox menu. Go to the top menu bar, click Devices, and choose Insert Guest Additions CD image. This will mount the Guest Additions installer inside your Debian VM. Next, open the File Manager and you should see the CD mounted. Before we install Guest Additions, we need a few tools so it can compile the kernel modules. Run this command. These packages include the kernel headers and tools needed to compile the Guest Addition modules. They are already installed on my system. Next, open the folder in a terminal. This is the full path of the current directory I'm in. Switch to the root directory. Now run the installer script with this command. Let it run. It'll compile and install the modules needed for your system. Once the installation finishes, just reboot your VM to apply the changes. After rebooting, try resizing your VM window. Your screen should auto-adjust. You can also test shared clipboard and drag and drop if they're enabled in VirtualBox settings. And that's it. You've successfully installed VirtualBox Guest Additions on Debian 12 Bookworm. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more Linux tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.